Stop. I have a question for you. Are you stuck in the low-ticket hamster wheel? If so, I want to tell you a little story about my first high-ticket sale. The exciting part about that sale was it actually came from a stranger. All the years of trying to sell and recruit my friends and family and them avoiding me like cockroaches when the lights came on, and then here along comes a stranger who becomes my first high-ticket sale. I realize it's easier to convert high-ticket sales to strangers who don't know all my dirty laundry and who also won't prejudge me. So over the last 10 years inside my freelance digital marketing business, I've been able to make tens of thousands of high-ticket sales from various products and services, and it's given me a life beyond my wildest dreams. So when I started to succeed, it wasn't the trips around the world or jet setting from one country to the next and seeing places that most people will never experience. And it wasn't the nice cars or the big houses that really made me the most happy. It was being able to give back to people like my parents.
What would you say if I said that was your brand new truck? Oh, you're a liar. You're bullshit. No.
Here, take it.
No. What?
Oh, come on, don't you want it?
And I want the same kind of success and happiness for you. So I've created something that's unlike anything you've ever experienced before. Well, I'll walk you through my entire step-by-step system and help you launch your business the right way in just 15 days. This is Dave Sharp. Click the link inside of this post, and I'll see you over on the inside.